It's that time again. The 100 Trades Backtesting Challenge continues. We are in Series 3. This is episode 7. We're trading MarketCipher Basic Strategy. Journaling in TradeZella. The asset, Micro Nasdaq. MNQ is the symbol. This is a replay of February 2025 historic price action. We go live to the charts now. This is the trade we took in the last episode. We absolutely crushed this long. We got out here. Took profit somewhere. We took profit like twice. Oh, I think I know what it was. It was took profit here, and then we took profit somewhere up here, and then we got stopped out here. So now there is no Asian session for us here on Friday. So we just fast forward. Really, we could look for another trade in the New York session. I mean, we found a trade within the first hour or two of the New York session opening. Brilliant. But that's not what we're going to practice. We're not practicing multiple trades in a session. So we're going to fast forward. Woo. The bears came in heavy on that. Goodness gracious. We took our money and ran. Not even an hour later, our stop loss would have been hit if we tried to ride that out without taking profits. Folks, we take profits because we're not out here swing trading, folks. We are intraday trading and low-key, scalping and then letting. It's a mix between scalping and swing trading. Or let me say again, it's a mix between scalping and intraday. We don't mind if the trade takes several hours, but we're going to take profit as soon as it makes sense to start taking profit. We're not holding all day just to let it reverse on us. We're protecting the profits. Where do we need to be, folks? We need to go to 5 minutes so we can see what's really going on. Yeah, we need to get through Sunday. You know what? We might do it like this. What is happening right now? Why can't I go any further? That doesn't matter, because what we're doing, we're going to Monday, 5 a.m. So that's when New York session starts. We are not going to trade Sunday. And I'm gonna fast forward this by selecting the date, Monday, February 10th, 5 a.m. Wait, this is February. Okay, yeah, Monday, 5 a.m. So here's where we took this long. It came down. Sheesh. Wicked. Climb back up. I mean, but she's having some trouble getting above there. Something like that, folks. Let's get our session going over here. What is the problem exactly? Okay. Oh shit. Did I? Friday, Sunday. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, good. Oh, I thought I messed something up because it said Tuesday over here. I don't know. I was tripping for a second. I said, oh. All right, so this is that big dump that it did on that Friday. We need to get, this is why I need to mark this first. We're going here. Trend lines, boy, the trend lines is undefeated. Spotted another one. This might be where we're at. Okay. All right. I'm good with that. Here's our 15s. Not moving a whole lot on the 15s. Like, look at this 15-minute candle compared to all these. All right, I'm ready to start looking at. I'm ready to start looking at MarketCipher here. Daily appears to be getting weaker. 12 hours got some juice. Hours potentially got something. $6 wants a shot. Not bad looking. Trigger on the 4. With the 6. It's a 9 a.m. We might run with the bulls here in this New York session. We got some beautiful trigger action. Yeah, bullish. Sideways. I'm gonna get rid of some of these. All of them, I guess. Yeah, that's what I really need to see. I need to see some candles close up here, because she might come back down here. So that's really what's going on. Okay. So I'm gonna let this play out a little bit here. I don't necessarily see a trade I would take at this particular time. Now here we go. Okay. Okay. Everything's looking bullish, folks. This might be our opportunity. Closing fives up here. Not bad for a stop. Let's make sure 782.50. We got to play this 1 minute forward a little bit. It was there. All right. We got a 2-minute penalty anyways. All right, this might be a opportunity for an entry, folks. Stop loss. Shoot, stop loss down here would be great. Play 15 contracts, we can do it. All right, so I would buy right now. Boom, I'm buying. 77, 550, 545, 545. There's 545. Soldier salute. Yeah, pull back. Let's make sure we're getting in at this 775.75. There it is. 15. Is this a 15 or is this a, this is a 20 situation. This is a good trade, folks. Looks like a good setup. Stop loss, can we do here? That's only 730. Oh, we're on to 1 minute. What if we did here? No, 220. This is all we can give them right here. First TP, probably in here somewhere, 830, maybe 820, yeah, 825. Maybe even 805 actually. Let's do 805. 805.25 looks like. Yeah, there it is. 645. Be an hour. Stop loss. 738. $738.25. It looks like. There you go. Okay. Screenshots. Just a 1 minute. The 1 and the 2. Ain't gonna lie, the 4-hour needs to get in there too. Look at that 4-hour. Gorgeous. Let's get our screenshots in. Yeah, really love this money flow trigger. RSIs on the 4 hour. The 2 hour has got some room to push. Got some room to push. The 1 hour, tight RSIs. She's pushing, gates are open. We got some room here. We got some room here. Need this 15 to stay alive and not try to cool off like this 5 minute. You know, we're trying to get in with our entry. We're trying to hit it right before, you know, it does that, instead of getting in like here, like we usually do, you know. So that's the trade. Let's get our tags in. Emotions. I'm a little nervous because of the dump that, you know, look at that. You know, so we're potentially going up against some bearish pressure all in here. So that could be a thing, but you know, we're going to start taking profit somewhere in here. And maybe we can get up here and take some profit, and then finally take some more profit if she wants to get all the way up there, of course. All right, that's the plan. You know, we got a plan. It aligns. So, wait, did I finish? I did not. I'm nervous, but I'm also saying, you know, spoke to us. I think we got high to low alignment here. Playbooks. Yeah, all this stuff is good. We got trend line candles closing. Now our 3 5-minute anchors, we just talked about that. They're not exactly lined up just for us yet, but we are defensive. You know, we'll check these though if that changes, because you know we're just kind of ever so slightly front running, ever so slightly. All right, here we go, folks. Can the bulls keep this stampede going now that we have entered the trade? We'll watch the 1 minute.
I can hear your voice.
Got a little something going on. You know, love to see this keep up. You know, within 16 minutes, showing some attitude from the bulls. Now the 15-minute could have reversed on us a little bit, so. But we definitely want to hold above this yellow. Getting awfully close to where we don't want to be. Yeah, that's bearish. 15-minute went bearish on us.
I can hear your voice.
Let's see if the bulls can recover. They're fighting. I mean, they're fighting. Bears look like they are gaining some strength here, folks. We haven't reached the 1 hour. It does appear risky, but we're playing it out because we've accepted the risk ahead of time. Just need these bulls to show up. I mean, the mid time frames and stuff. Okay, now we are at the 1 hour mark. So we could choose. Oh, we get to take profit. We get to take profit as I was giving it the 2-minute penalty. Folks, we stayed alive. Let's watch that, a replay, 6:46 a.m. We're going to watch the 6:46 a.m. replay here. Or what am I saying? Up to 6:46 a.m. We'll replay it here on TradeZella and watch how much we're in and out of profit. So we did come down in the red. You know, we were in profit, $500, 500, about a max of 500 before the bears came and attacked. And then here we're down 500, getting a bounce off of our support line. The bears tested that support line pretty good, coming very, very close, within six points of taking us out there. And then we're coming back alive, back in profit. And is this where we need to be? 646. Let's see. 804. We get to take profit right here. We are 1100 in profit. Without question, we're taking profit, and I'm taking half. You know, that's pretty much what we do here. I'm gonna sell half. Done. Took profit. We're not going to give anything back, so I'm moving in profit. Let me see what my 15s are at. Okay. Don't have much of a 15-minute candle I can get behind and stay in profit. So let's see what our 5s are looking like. Not even the 5. Folks, it could come right back and stop us out here. We're going to take another 100 if it does. And, you know, hope that it doesn't, right? I mean, but we're good. At this point, it's a profitable trade. We're going to keep playing. Let's move this out. You know, another hour just to see what she's doing. So that would be another hour. Let's take a look. Oh, our stop loss now is at 780, 50. Boom. So she has to get back down here. If she gets back down to this green line, we're out of the trade. She keeps going. Well. Wouldn't that be nice? First, I'm just going to go ahead and take a gander at the 15. Exactly. You see, I wanted to see this and seeing exactly what I want here. The 2 hours pushing. We know the 4 hours got a tight trigger. The 1 hour from 6 to 7 a.m. How close are we to 7 a.m.? So we're on, we got to make it to 7 a.m. so we can see what this 1 hour is going to do. So let's keep pushing. Oh, and it stopped us. It stopped us out pretty much in like the next candle. Good thing we took profit. Good thing we took profit. So if we just play it out here, bam, takes us out. There you go. That's the trade. Could she get back up here, and will she? Who knows? The market does what it wants, but this is a lot of bearish pressure, but this is one heck of a sweep. If she does come back down, this could be a great place to buy. Wham, who knows? Tell you what, we can find out. Let's just go ahead and fast forward. See how everything we've set up here plays out. If we were to have, taken on more risk and all that. Our original stop loss would be safe right now. Ooh, and we'd be chilling in some profit, folks. Goodness gracious. All kinds of profit. But see, we're not taking those risks. You see what I'm saying? We're just not, I'm not there yet. I'm taking what the market gives me. I'm not pressing it. We certainly could have, look, another potentially 2 take profit areas. She really went for it after stopping us out, didn't she? Let's go faster than 1 minute here. Let's do 10 minutes. The next session is Asian session, so we don't want to go any further than here. Yeah. Do y'all think I just draw lines on the screen willy-nilly? Like this, look at that. Like I'm eyeing the bottom of these candles. I'm eyeing the top of these candles, you see? That's how we come up with this. This line right here is at the top of these candles, these wicks. This stuff is I'm not just putting lines on the screen. And that's why there's a certain level of confidence involved when I'm watching the trade and have specific expectations. So yeah, we would have been able to take a little more profit, moved our stop somewhere up here. But that's just part of the game, right? We're not because it could have went the other way and we didn't want that. We're not trying to take a loss after taking a W right now. I'm just not there, folks. I'm trying to think of some clever way to describe it. I'm not saying it's right or wrong. It just currently isn't part of my style of trading to sit in a risky trade, which is all trading. When I get in a trade, I want it to move within 1 to 2 hours. And after she came down like this and got this close, I'm no longer willing. I don't know what the right answer is, but for me, my emotions, there it is. Emotionally, I'm down here and it's like, this is gonna suck. I don't want to take a loss, but oh well, I've accepted it. But then we get into profit like this, take some profit, and then just give it all back. I would not be excited about that. This is exciting to take some profit and then stop in profit. You know, I'm okay with that. In the future, and I am just really driving this because I want to be able to do that, folks. I want to have enough awareness to know whether or not it's okay. Because see, the fact that it came down here and stopped here might be a sign that now this is a very strong place for the bulls, and the price getting back down there again, maybe that's highly unlikely. I don't know the answer. I'm learning. And perhaps something like this happens and I'm supposed to trust, there's probably more confidence I'm supposed to have in the trade at that point. I don't know. But here's what I do know. We just took a profitable trade. And yeah, look, so, that is kind of, it went here and then it went here higher. So I'm learning. Next time, maybe I move my stop up to like here and just say, oh, well, but probably not. I'm probably taking my money every single time. I got nothing for these people. The Asian session's going to be somewhere way over there. We'll figure that out next time. But this was exciting. We're at the Asian session now on TradeZella. Just gonna go ahead and clean up my chart. That was fun. Folks, that was a fun trade. And I kind of want to just get there now, so we're ready. This will be Monday, February, Monday, Asian session, 1600. We took this along here, somewhere in here. And then we took profit there. It came back, stopped us out, and then, sheesh. That's where, oh my gosh, that's where, folks, that was quite the move. And you know what's exciting is we saw it. We were in it, and we had the potential to ride along. I'm okay knowing that we're calling it. We're still calling it. Looks like she's coming down, touching one of our previously identified. Oh, this is where it stopped us out. So if we didn't, would it have hit our target? Oh no, it didn't. It didn't go all the way to the last target. So either way, price did retrace. What I'm saying right now doesn't even compute. I'm talking out loud as my brain's working, and you're gonna have to forgive me. Look, this trade's set up, ready to go for the Asian session in the next episode. So one last look here. Oh yeah, this stuff did come around. Yes, it did. We took profit on time, and then we got stopped out. But we did take profit. I keep forgetting to come in here and do TP1. Entry was great on that one. What am I thinking? I just want to go back, look at the dashboard. There it is. Okay, so we took 670 out of that trade, folks. Not too bad, not too bad. That's it for this session, folks. Don't miss the next time. CMZ Trades.